Macro teaching is an approach to lesson planning that involves a comprehensive and systematic process of developing a lesson plan. It involves considering the overall structure of the lesson, the objectives, and the content to be covered, as well as the teaching strategies and assessment methods to be used. In macro teaching, a lesson plan is broken down into several components that help ensure that the lesson is well organized, coherent, and aligned with the learning goals. These components typically include learning objectives, clearly stated goals that define what students should be able to do or understand after the lesson. Assessment, a plan for how student learning will be assessed during and after the lesson, including formative and summative assessment methods. Instructional materials, any materials needed to deliver the lesson, such as textbooks, handouts, multimedia resources, or manipulatives. Instructional strategies, the methods and techniques used to teach the lesson, including how to introduce the topic, how to engage students, and how to scaffold learning. Differentiation, a plan for how to differentiate instruction to meet the needs of all students, including those with different learning styles, abilities, or backgrounds. Closure, a plan for how to wrap up the lesson, including how to review key concepts, how to reinforce learning, and how to provide feedback to students. Please subscribe Edulancer for educational videos.